If you want to keep Opera running smoothly, stay secure, and make sure you have the latest features, then updating your browser is one of the easiest things you can do. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to update Opera browser step by step, even if you've never done it before. And if this guide helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Opera on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top left corner of the window and click the Opera O logo. This opens the main menu, which is where Opera keeps a lot of its important settings and tools. Now from the menu, scroll down near the bottom and hover over Help. When you move your mouse over Help, a small submenu will appear. This is where you'll find the option you need to check for updates. From that submenu, click About Opera. As soon as you select it, Opera will automatically open a new tab and begin checking for updates in the background. You do not need to download anything manually or search for an update file online. Opera handles the process for you right inside the browser. At this point, give it a few moments. If Opera finds an update, it will start downloading it automatically. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the update, this may take just a short time. While it's updating, you can simply wait and let the browser finish its work. Once the download is complete, you'll see a Relaunch button. Click Relaunch to finish installing the update. Opera will close and reopen, and when it comes back, you'll be using the latest version of the browser. That's it. You've successfully updated Opera browser in just a few clicks. This is a quick routine that helps keep your browser secure, stable, and up to date with the newest features and improvements. If this video was helpful, please make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials, browser tips, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.